Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cursory online research will tell you that each of these names has a distinct origin, with hoagie referring to a type of sandwich that was popular among Italian workers on Hog Island in Pennsylvania. Get it? Grinder, a slang term for dock workers who were fans of a similarly structured sandwich, and the sub being
Take our lead.
Internet's for dating. Grind is for sex, D tells me. Well, sometimes the internet's for sex, too, but Grindr, definitely sex. I ask around and am inundated with Grindr stories, all of which end in a sexual encounter. 3 July 2010.
Let's help you make your mark.
Sandwich names throughout New England. Sub, short for submarine sandwich, is said to come from Connecticut, where what was originally called a grinder became a sub because of the sandwich's uncanny resemblance to the submarines in a nearby naval shipyard.
Take our lead.
Hoagies are built to order sandwiches filled with meat and cheese, as well as lettuce, tomatoes, and onions, topped off with a dash of oregano vinegar dressing on an Italian roll. A true Italian hoagie is made with Italian ham, prosciutto, salami, and provolone cheese, and all the works.
Take our lead.
Grinder. If a New Englander doesn't call this sandwich a sub, they call it a grinder. Popular in western Massachusetts, Vermont and parts of Connecticut and Rhode Island. Toasted sandwiches in Pennsylvania and Delaware are also called grinders. 4 April 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
A submarine sandwich, also known as a sub, hoagie, torpedo, hero, or grinder, is a type of cold sandwich made from a cylindrical bread roll split lengthwise and filled with meats, cheeses, vegetables, and condiments. It has many different names.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A common term in New England is grinder, but its origin has several possibilities. One theory has the name coming from Italian-American slang for a dock worker, among whom the sandwich was popular. Others say that it was called a grinder because the bread's hard crust required much chewing.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The sandwich is named after John Montagu, 4th Earl of Sandwich, an 18th-century English aristocrat. It is said that he ordered his valet to bring him meat tucked between two pieces of bread. In the U.S., the sandwich was first promoted as an elaborate meal at supper.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.